Namaste und Hallo. Ich heiße Ujjwal, Ihr Deutschlehrer. Let's learn something new today. Before that, sorry, not sorry for being late. So I'm really sorry I'm uploading this video after a long gap of 5 days.
Heute lernen wir Grüße und Ausdrücke, greetings and phrases in German. You can see on the slide, good morning, good night, bye, such words for the beginners. अभी हम नए हैं इस language में, we do not know how to say these things. Hello कैसे बोलना है, bye कैसे बोलना है. We'll learn that today. It's very simple. Don't worry. So first word is hello. Hello. For hello, you can use hello or grüß dich. This can be used. आप अपने छोटे से बात कर रहे हो किसी से या आपकी एज के ही हैं, आपके फैमिली के हैं, you can use such words. अगर आप किसी बड़े से बात कर रहे हो and it's a formal conversation, then you should go as per the time of the day. अगर उस समय morning है तो you should wish that person good morning. For example, आपका teacher है कोई या someone elder, so you can say guten Morgen and all such words according to the timing of the day. Otherwise, hallo, grüß dich. Good morning, guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Gut, if you see here some word G-U-T, gut is adjective meaning good. Good के लिए word use होता है gut. Good afternoon or good day for both things. Like in English, we have two terms, good afternoon, या good day बोलते हैं हम. In German, one word for that, guten Tag. Guten Tag. Good evening, guten Abend. Abend is the word for evening. Gute Nacht. For good night, it's gute Nacht. If you would have seen here, there's some difference, guten, 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 and gute here. That is just because of the gender of the nouns that we'll discuss in the upcoming videos. आगे आने वाली videos में हम देखेंगे कि German language में we have nouns और nouns के gender है masculine, feminine, neutral. So उसके accordingly कैसे changes आते हैं, we'll learn that. अभी के लिए आप इसे ऐसे learn करो greetings के तौर पे and also start using it at home. You will feel good. Next is welcome or please. So the word is bitte, the bitte schön. Someone says thank you to you, किसी ने आपको thank you बोला, आप welcome बोलते हो तो आप ये bitte word use कर सकते हो. And if someone says like danke is the word for thank you. So if you use danke, the other person says like bitte, danke schön, bitte schön. And for example, अगर आप बस में हो और वहाँ पे काफी सारे लोग हैं, आपको जगह चाहिए निकलने के लिए और आप उनको excuse me बोलते हैं, excuse me because you want the way. So आप उस excuse me की जगह Entschuldigung बोल सकते हो, okay? And then they can say you bitte, please, you can go. So these words are all related, एक दूसरे से related हैं ये words. Welcome या please के लिए bitte. Suppose किसी से आपने बोला कि please bring me a glass of water, you can use bitte. Thank you, as I told you, danke. Dankeschön. Vielen Dank. Vielen Dank is used when you want to say thank you very much. Otherwise, danke. Suppose some person is there, Priya, and you want to say thank you, Priya. Danke, Priya. And she says, bitte. For excuse me and sorry, these words can be used. Entschuldigung. You want to say excuse me, you are late in the class. You know, Entschuldigung. You did something wrong and you want to say sorry. Entschuldigung. You sneezed, आपने चिक मारी एकदम से, Entschuldigung. Yeah. Bless you, Gesundheit. The word is Gesundheit. It's same like in English we say if somebody sneezes, you know, so we say bless you, God bless you. So this is the word. अगर आपके सामने कोई चिक मार रहा है या sneeze कर रहा है, so you just basically say Gesundheit. Gesundheit means bless you. Otherwise, the meaning is health. Enjoy your meal, basic manners and all. So guten Appetit. In German, basically in Europe, many places they say this word guten Appetit when they are about to start with their meal. Okay. I am very sorry or I am sorry. The word is es tut mir leid. Es tut mir sehr leid. So leid is basically for sorrow. So you can say this, es tut mir leid, that means I am sorry. Es tut mir sehr leid, I'm very sorry. Basic words, yes, no, maybe. For yes, the word is ja. आप या बोलते हो, that's in English also, ja, na, no, nein. Vielleicht. Vielleicht means maybe. So this word is ja. Do not say ja. J is yacht in German, so Y sound, ja. Nein, vielleicht. Then when you have to take a leave, you say bye or see you again. So for bye, the word is tschüss. It starts with T. Tschüss. In the bracket I've written S, that means you can write tschüss with single S or double S. Both are acceptable. आप दोनों तरीके से लिख सकते हो. Auf Wiedersehen. Better one. I like this more than tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen. Wiedersehen. Two words combined. Wieder means again. Sehen means to see. So when you say Auf Wiedersehen, first of all, it's a formal way to say. Tschüss is informal. So when you say Auf Wiedersehen, that means you have a wish to see that person again. आप फिर से मिलना चाहते हो उस person से, and that is good. You say Auf Wiedersehen, फिर मिलेंगे, see you again. Tschüss, on the other hand, is just bye. Okay, so we are now done with the content for this particular video, the basic things, phrases I have discussed with you. And the last is until the next video, or see you in the next video. How we can say that? Bis zum nächsten Video. So bis is till. So bis zum means until. Nächsten, nächster is similar to English word next. So next video. So until the next video. See you in the next video. Namaste. Cheers. Stay safe. Stay home. Also, if you like the contents of the video, this video and the previous videos regarding the German language, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Okay? Motivation is much needed to make such videos for you. All right, I will take a leave now. Cheers.